And if my mom calling me, if she calling me, I said yes. I will not say what.
Oh,
It's disrespect. If
yeah,
I
yeah,
said
yeah.
what, it's disrespect.
Oh, don't ask
And even
questions.
though, yeah, it's not good, respectful.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not polite.
Yeah, I understand.
It's
I
not.
also
And
speak I also speak Odia. It's our native language.
speak. What's your name?
Tomo na kono. It seems
Minakono. It's like Philippines, Keda, like this
oh,
language.
Tomo na kono. It's Odia.
It's Burma. Burma, you know Burma? Myanmar.
Myanmar. I
Near near Thailand.
oh, I don't know.
It's India here, China here,
Yeah.
India, China, middle Myanmar.
Oh, India, China, middle way. Okay, okay.
It's Myanmar language you speak like.
Oh, it's similar to
You're
Myanmar.
near Nepal, right?
Near Kolkata. Do you know Kolkata?
Of course, Madhya Teresa.
Yeah, Mother Teresa.
You went there?
No, I have not visited Kolkata yet.
What's your religion?
I'm Hindu.
What's your name?
Anup. It's Anup
Anu.
Kumar.
My name Stella.
Oh, Stella. Wow, nice name. It's a pretty name. Like
Thank you.
Stella means star, I guess.
Yes.
Oh,
Chinese store.
you might be shiny, but I can't see you. It's
Yes.
pitch black.
Some because I'm scared of this app, so I can't to be
Ah,
shown.
yeah, it's
And
cool.
my friends also, some friends call me shiny, shiny like this. Sometimes it's nice for everything, sometimes it's bad for everything.
Yeah, it's world because you have the two side of the coin. It's head or tail.
Yeah, but it's okay to be accepted.
Yeah, cool.
If you say anything bad, I will be accepted. If you say anything good, I will be
That's
accepted.
that's
It's
nice.
my mom says always, let it go.
Yeah, let it
She
go.
said every time,
Don't
let
be
it go. The
like
God will see.
yeah, karma. That's called karma.
Karma, yes. I trust too much karma.
Yeah, I too believe in karma because
It will come, will be
yeah,
like tsunami.
people say Earth is round. What you do now, it will come back to you at some point.
Yeah.
Wow, you seems to be very mature.
My mom also said like this. My mom, my friends, my cousins
Oh.
all say it like this. Your way of talk not like small. Your way of talk it's very very mature.
So how old
They say
are
it like
you?
this.
I forgot, I guess.
Now I'm 22.
Oh,
Sorry,
nice.
28.
20?
No, 28.
28.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, nice, nice.
But when I'm small, also I'm talking too much, like mature, very very mature.
Yeah, I got it.
Because from my dad.
Oh, he must be a great person.
Yes, he said it always go whatever you want, talk whatever you like. Nobody is judging here.
No, nobody is
They
judging
say
you. Do your thing, like
God
you.
will be judge you who you are.
Yeah.
He said always like this. You have any
What?
brother, sister?
No, I'm a single child. I'm alone.
Do you thinking this is the good or bad?
I think it sometimes it feels good and sometimes it feels bad. It's okay.
You have to be adjustment for everything.
Yeah, kind of.
Because you are single baby, so of course you will not. You want for everything. You will not to be sacrificed to anyone, right?
Yeah, yeah. I got everything because I have no brother and sister that they ask something else.
This is a God grace.
So, are you a single child or do you have any brothers?
No, I have my brother, but I feel I am single child, but my brother not like this. If I want anything, I got it, but my brother no.
You must be a.
Because I'm
He
dad
must
girl,
be
so
younger than you.
he is elder.
Oh, he's elder. How old?
Yes,
is
he's
he?
elder. He's 4 years bigger than me.
Oh, nice. Then he must be 32.
4 years. Yes, I think 32 or 33. He have now one baby girl.
Oh, he is married. Nice.
He was waiting for me. I said no, I don't want to marry. So let him marry.
Do you want to marry someday or not?
No, I'm not yet to think about this because I'm very scared of the relationship nowadays.
Commitment,
I'm only
relationship.
mature. I'm talking. Yeah, way of talking is mature. And way of doing everything
Is
is will be
childish.
very strong. But inside,
You
I'm
are
very
child.
emotional person.
I
Yes,
got it.
very, 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 very.
I got
And
it.
I'm overthink girl also. I'm too much overthinks. I can guess it what you're doing there.
You get
Without see,
suspicious.
without know anything. I'm very this. I hate this character, but this character is very good.
Yeah, yeah.
But I hate it.
What can you do? It's your character, it's you at the end of the day.
Yeah, but because overthink, it's very good for partner.
Yeah.
They will be I will be lawyer.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
will be
You will be.
good way to talk. I will be for notice everything. I will be care for too much. I will
Yeah.
love too much. But if he do something, if my mom do something, if my father do something without tell me, I found it. My mom said always, I think you are CID. She said always. My brother also.
You are like,
Stella, I think you're.
you are very
Yeah, they
suspicious.
come.
What is going on
Yes.
and what kind of thing is happening around?
No, I will not thinking they are what they are doing. I'm not thinking like this. If anything little sound, if my mom talking to me,
Yeah.
if I'm hearing anything sound, what the sound there? My mom shout, "You are
Oh.
talking here. Your ears are there." Today evening also she said.